Hey guys, welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. I'm Greg, and this is an R-Code Mustang. 428 under the hood, beautiful interior, beautiful restoration, and you're gonna love checking it out. So go to the website at vanguardmotorsales.com. We'll put it up on the lift so you can see just how nice the bottom side is. We're gonna pop the hood, take a look at the 428. We're gonna look at the interior. We're gonna look inside the trunk. We're gonna show you everything you wanna see so you can make a great decision on your R-Code investment. So come on up and let's fire it up for you right now. So check this beauty out, man. The chrome on the front bumper's looking gorgeous. The grill's in beautiful shape. The pony emblem looks like it's brand new. The nose trim on the hood looks great. We got hood pins, keep this hood down. Shaker hood, it's had a hood tack added to it. The body lines are straight and flush as can be. Beautiful work on the car. The body work on it's phenomenal. You guys know black cars, you better be a good body man. The guy that did this car did a fantastic job. Look at those wheels. Got the GT hubcaps. Rocker molding looks good. We got the red stripe there. Doors operate nice and smooth. We got beautiful door lips here. Door jamb itself's painted up nice. We got great looking trim here. The door panels are in beautiful shape. Carpeting looks good. It's got the wood steering wheel. It's got that 4-speed shifter everybody's looking for in these cars. Carpeting in the back looks good. Back seat's in great shape. Headliner looks great. All the trims back there, it should be there. Dash pad itself's in good shape. All the gauges are nice and clear. The lenses are clear. The faces on the gauges look good. The chrome in there looks beautiful. That quarter panel straight as can be. Chrome on the back bumper looks good. All the trim on the tail lights is in good shape. The lenses themselves are in good shape. GT emblem on the gas fill. Look inside that trunk. Looks brand new in there. It's beautiful. All the paint work in here looks good. Paint work on the bottom side of the deck lid also looks good. The rubber looks like it was replaced. The lips on the trunk lid feel nice and clean. We've got a jack in here. Now when you look down the side of the car, she's straight as an arrow. No door dings, no scratches. Just an amazing build on this beautiful car. Now this is an R-Code, so it originally came with this 428 in it. This is a bad machine right here, guys. This is probably one of the most sought after cars on the planet. R-Code Mustang with a shaker. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we own all of our vehicles here. Right now we've got about 240 in stock and we're bringing in 40 new ones every month. And I'm involved in buying every one of those cars. So what that means to you is you're getting my 35 plus years of experience helping you pick out your dream car. All right, 69 R-Code Mustang. 428 shaker hood. Even got a tack on the hood. Man, you want to talk about sweet, and it's black. 4-speed. Beautiful weather out today. Nice ride for the Mustang. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we can ship this Mustang anywhere in the world. You just give us a call at 248-974-9513. Tom will tell you just how easy it is to park this dream in your drive, no matter where you live in the world. And if you need some help with financing, we got you covered there too. We got about 3 bankers we're working with right now. 15-minute phone call with the banker, or you can fill it out online at vanguardmotorsales.com. Just check with Tom. Either way's fine. We'll get this dream in your driveway. Now look down here in the dash. Look at that. Everything looks brand spanking new down there. We've got the alternator gauge, the speedo, the temp gauge, the fuel gauge, oil pressure, and of course, we got that cool hood tack out there. Looks like an aftermarket radio, beautiful wood steering wheel. Man, you are all set and ready to go at Vanguard with this beauty. R-Code Mustang, shaker hood, black car, red interior. I mean, it don't get any better than this. Now, we're open 6 days a week, and we'd love to have visitors. So come visit us at 15100 Keel Street in Plymouth, Michigan. Now, we sell about 95% of our stuff sight unseen, so we don't get to meet a lot of our customers. So if you happen to see Tom or I at a car show, an auction, whatever, please come on up. We'd love to meet you. Now, if there's anything on the car that you'd like a little different, it's like, man, if that car only had this or that, talk to Tom. We might be able to do it for you. We got a whole team of mechanics at Vanguard. Now stick with us, because we're about to do something nobody else on the planet does. We're gonna put this car up in the air so you can check out the underside. Then we're gonna get under the hood, take a look at that 428. We're gonna show you everything you need to see so you can make a great decision on your Mustang investment. All right, we're underneath this Mustang now, and shiny is the word underneath here. Everything under here is shiny. Look at that brand new gas tank, brand new exhaust, shiny paint on the springs, shiny paint on the drop downs, on the frame, on the floor in the trunk, shiny paint on the 9-inch Ford rear end. We got right around the 350 gear in here, and it is a Posi. Looks like shiny shocks, they look brand new. We've got, looks like they've added a sway bar to it. Now they've got stainless steel lines here for the brakes, and they're also shiny. We got a brand new stainless steel brake line going front to back here. We got glass pack mufflers, that's why it sounds so good. We got a brand new fuel line going front to back, and look at these floorboards. I tell you what, you're gonna have to invest in some mirrors when you buy this car, because you're gonna wanna show off these floorboards. I tell you what, I can see my reflection in here, and I can see I'm about ready for a haircut right there. Now, we've got, even looks like the reverse light switch is here, and I do see a wire going to it, so it looks like they probably are hooked up. We got a top loader trans, that's also date code correct. Looks like it's got the date code correct bell housing. It does have the period correct clutch linkage and everything on it, so it is a manual clutch. We do have power steering, that all looks date code correct. The brakes do, the spindles do, the lower control arms are also shiny, the front frame horns up here are shiny. We got a date code correct starter on it, looks like, and exhaust manifolds. I mean, the car is amazing, guys. The radius arm bushings look like they're new, the sway bar bushings up front look new. We definitely got new ball joints up at the top. The frame up here is all painted up, the lower valance looks good, the bottom side of the front bumper looks awesome. I mean, she's an amazing car. Like I said, get yourself 4 or 5 mirrors, put them in the trunk. Everywhere you go, slip those mirrors underneath this car, because you're gonna wanna show it off. Now let's look at wheels and tires. All right, we got style steel wheels here. The chrome looks like they're brand new. The GT caps look brand new. The tires look like they're brand new. They're Cooper Cobras. And let's see, I got two 35/60 15s. The wheel lip moldings look new. Right down to the bottom edge of that front fender looks beautiful, and that pinch weld looks like factory original. That rocker also looks good, and that rocker molding looks brand spanking new. Let's check the rear. Out back, same good looking wheels, same good looking GT center cap, and let's see if I can find a size. And we got more rubber back here. We got two 55/60 15s. Like I tell you all the time, check this edge right there. All I feel is that inner wheelhouse where it goes to the quarter. And of course, the wheel lip molding looks good. And look at the paintwork, even on the rocker, even on the bottom side of the rocker. And look at that pinch weld. Look at that torque box. It's beautiful. Let's get under the hood. All right, we're continuing our shiny theme underneath the hood here. The motor's shiny, the aluminum valve covers are shiny. We got a 750 Holley under there. Now the stock appearing distributor has been upgraded to Pertronic, so that's an electronic upgrade inside that stock appearing distributor. It does have power steering, and it does have power brakes. The buck tag is still here. The paintwork on the inner wheelhouses here look great. On the shock towers look good. It does have that reinforcing plate on it that all the big block cars had. Of course, it is R code, and you can't miss that shaker. Radiator looks like it's brand spanking new. Core support looks good. The braces are painted up. The firewall's painted up. All the hoses look good. All the wiring looks great. This is an amazing car, guys. She's a 69. She's an R code. It's got a date correct motor, a date correct transmission, a date correct rear end, and she's shiny. Give us a call at 248-974-9513 and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this R code in your driveway.